How to get Kindle Unlimited free. If you wish to get Kindle Unlimited for free, there's a very simple way to that. So whenever we are on Kindle itself, we can from the homepage just scroll down and you can see try unlimited reading and listening. So you can just tap on this learn more button that you see here, and when you do that, it will give you a Kindle Unlimited subscription page. Now if you look within this page, you can see they're offering us a 30-day free trial. So even though it is not permanently free, you can still get it free for 30 days. Download as much books as you can, save them for later purposes, and once you go ahead and get that for $11.99 a month, after that it will renew, right? So after that it's going to renew for $11.99. But they also offer another choice to get the 2 months deal for $0.99 instead. So either you get 1 month completely free or 2 months for $0.99. They're offering you a choice, and once done you can tap on the join Kindle Unlimited button over here to subscribe and get it for free for a few months. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.